Hello and welcome to this video about the future of the Moon. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in our nearest celestial neighbor, with several countries and private companies planning missions to explore and potentially utilize the resources on the Moon. In this video, we will explore some of the exciting developments and possibilities for the future of the Moon. Firstly, let's talk about the Artemis program, which is NASA's ambitious plan to return humans to the Moon by 2024. This program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon, with the goal of eventually sending humans to Mars. The Artemis program includes the development of the Space Launch System rocket, the Orion spacecraft, and the Lunar Gateway, which will serve as a staging area for lunar missions. The program will also involve the deployment of robotic missions to explore the Moon and prepare for human landings. But NASA is not the only player in the race to the Moon. Several other countries, including China, Russia, and India, have also expressed interest in lunar exploration. China has already landed 2 rovers on the Moon, and is planning a manned mission in the near future. Russia is working on a lunar lander, while India is planning a robotic mission to the South Pole of the Moon. Private companies are also getting in on the action. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, has announced plans to send humans to the Moon as early as 2023, using its Starship spacecraft. Blue Origin, founded by Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, has also expressed interest in lunar exploration, with plans to build a lunar lander and establish a permanent human presence on the Moon. So, what is the ultimate goal of all this lunar exploration? Well, one of the key reasons for returning to the Moon is to access its resources. The Moon is rich in minerals and other materials, including water ice at the poles. These resources could be used to support future human missions to the Moon and beyond. For example, water ice could be converted into rocket fuel, which would make it much easier and cheaper to launch missions into deep space. Another possibility is the development of lunar tourism. With the establishment of a permanent human presence on the Moon, it is conceivable that people could one day travel to the Moon for vacations or even to live and work. This would require the development of infrastructure such as hotels and transportation, but could potentially become a major industry in the future. Of course, there are also scientific reasons for exploring the Moon. The Moon is a natural laboratory for studying the history of the solar system, as well as the processes that have shaped our own planet. For example, studying the Moon's craters and geology can provide insights into the formation and evolution of planets and moons. The Moon can also be used as a platform for astronomical observations, as its lack of atmosphere allows for clear views of the cosmos. However, there are also challenges to overcome in the quest to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon. One of the biggest challenges is the development of technology that can withstand the harsh lunar environment, including extreme temperatures and radiation. There are also logistical challenges, such as the need to establish a reliable supply chain for resources and equipment. In conclusion, the future of the Moon is full of exciting possibilities, from the establishment of a sustainable human presence to the development of new industries and scientific discoveries. While there are certainly challenges to overcome, the progress that has been made in recent years suggests that we are well on our way to making these possibilities a reality. We can't wait to see what the future holds for the Moon and the next generation of explorers. Thanks for watching.